They're two of the biggest names in deck stains. One protects like a sponge, the other a suit of armor. But which one will hold up better on your deck? Let's find out which one wins. As we look at penetration and seal, the Cabot Australian Timber Oil soaks into your wood like a sponge. It's loaded with oils and creates a strong weather-repellent barrier. But on softwoods, it can be, we'll just say, the equivalent of dumping syrup on toast. It just sits there. Over-application is a common DIY mistake. This leads to a sticky and tacky surface that takes forever to dry. TWP 1500 series is thinner and will sink in more evenly into softer woods like cedar and pine. It's easier to apply and less likely to get gummy. It still does great and protects from moisture without leaving a residue. So the winner in this category for softwoods is going to be TWP 1500 series. But if you're staining hardwoods like Ipe or mahogany, then the Australian Timber Oil will take the crown. Let's look at UV resistance and longevity. The sun is a silent killer of decks. Cabot does a wonderful job of holding its own within the first year and a half. But the golden tones of this product tend to show fading quicker under direct sunlight. It's not that using a golden tone color makes it weaker. It's just that the fading is going to be more obvious when those warm amber tones wash out. Most people find that they have to recoat every 2.5 years to keep things looking good. The TWP, on the other hand, they design and build it really for the long haul. The UV blockers that they put in this product makes it more resistant to fading, and it's going to wear away a little bit slower instead of potentially peeling like other stains. Think of a cotton t-shirt versus a high-tech jacket. One is going to fade and the other will fight back. The winner in this category is the TWP 1500 series. Those enhanced UV blockers really make the difference. As we look at wood compatibility, the timber oil was specifically designed for dense hardwoods. It does a beautiful job of diving deep into the grain and bringing out their luxurious, rich tones. TWP was kind of designed as a Swiss Army knife with regards to deck stain. But many people note that it seems to excel with softer woods. It bonds well, which is going to reduce checking and cracking, and is going to hold up really well on the typical pressure-treated boards. Picture the Australian Timber Oil like a fancy tailored suit for exotic woods. The TWP is a work boot for everyday lumber. So who's going to be the winner in this category? Well, that depends. If you have a hardwood deck, go with the Cabot. For softwoods, you might get better performance from the TWP line. Here's a quick tip. No matter which stain you choose, the brush is really going to make a big difference. Make sure you don't roll these products on. You brush them on. This is going to help to push the product into the grain and will give you better protection and coverage. Please check out my Pondered and Picked. This is a list of my favorite tools when it comes to deck staining. I'll make sure it's posted in the description. Let's take a moment and consider application and dry time. The Australian Timber Oil potentially can be a little bit trickier. It's a beautiful, thick, oil-rich coating. But the problem is, if you lay it on too heavy, you're definitely going to be waiting a while. It's like painting with molasses in humid weather. Do too much and it will be sticky. And while the Australian Timber Oil is generally very resistant to peeling, if you over-apply it and don't prep it properly, it can potentially form a surface film which may eventually flake and peel. The TWP is a little bit more forgiving of a product. It spreads easily, it dries faster, and handles cooler or humid temps a little better. Plus, it's widely recognized for never peeling or flaking. It simply fades away over time. In this category, if you're a DIYer, I would recommend going with the TWP. It's a lot more user-friendly. If you have a lot of deck experience, it could be a tie, as that Australian Timber Oil does a beautiful job when it comes to staining your deck. let's take a moment and consider the finish appearance as well as the maintenance. The timber oil leaves a rich, gorgeous finish. It looks like you oiled a beautiful piece of furniture. It glows. But here's the catch. This beauty queen has high standards. Your prep needs to be spot on, or this can get blotchy on you. The TWP 1500 series, it leans to a little bit more of a muted earthy brown or subtle red. But like we said before, it fades evenly and doesn't flake. You aren't going to get as many compliments for how this oil shows your wood, but you're probably not going to get any complaints either. So the winner in this category will say the TWP for ease of application and long-term simplicity. But the Australian timber oil is going to win on pure looks if you're chasing after that golden glow. So here's the bottom line. If you're working with soft woods and want reliable protection and fewer surprises, the TWP 1500 series is going to be your go-to product. If you're staining dense hardwoods and want that deep, glossy warmth, the Cabot Australian Timber Oil is going to be a tough one to beat. Just make sure you don't over-apply. So, have you used either one of these products? Share your experience in the comments. Real feedback helps real people. And if you want to know what ingredients go in to make a really good deck stain, why not check out this video? In it, we do a deep dive and we discuss ingredients, formulas, and what actually works. We look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for watching.